What's up guys, I'm Zane and today I'm going to show you how to record on any laptop with audio. Now first thing you should do while using your computer or any laptop on Windows 10 or even on Windows 11, you can simply click on the Windows key plus the G button. So I'm gonna click them right now. Then it will show me this option right here or this menu. What you should do right now is to simply go into this icon right here, click on capture, and you can actually use this software in order to capture any applications that you are using on your computer. And if you want to record the desktop, what you should do is to simply download OBS, as you can see. Then you can simply click on this plus sign, then choose display capture, and it will actually record the desktop, as you can see right here. Now let's get back to the Windows software. So click on Windows G again, and here as you can see you will have this option. Click on it, and after that here on the left side you have these options right here. What you should do right now in order to start recording, as you can see I cannot actually start recording right now. This is because I'm opening the desktop. So let me just try to open something like Discord, for example. Then I'm gonna click on Windows plus G. Then here as you can see, now I can click on the start recording button, or you can simply use the shortcut Windows Alt R. So I'm gonna click on this icon, and if you want to record your voice, you can simply turn on your mic by clicking on this icon right here. So now I'm gonna click on this icon, and now I am actually recording. Now if you want to remove this menu, you can simply click on Windows G, and here it will be recording. And don't worry, this option or this bar right here won't be displayed inside your video. So now I can actually record my screen and my voice. Now if you want to stop recording, you can simply click on Windows G, then click on this icon again, or you can use the shortcut Windows Alt plus R. And now as you can see, it will show this notification. Now I have recorded one clip. So now if I want to get this clip, I can simply go to my files, then go to videos right here, then go to captures. As you can see now I have the video, and that is it. This is how you can actually get your video and record using the Windows software. And you can also get your videos by clicking on Windows G again and choose this option, see my captures, and you can go to the file location by clicking on open file location. You can delete the video or even watch it from this panel right here. Actually, it is not the best option. OBS is much more better, but this is a quick solution if you do not have OBS and you want just to record a small thing or a small clip, just in case you have this for necessity. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.